Hi friends, welcome to MX DECOR. In this video, we are diving into the heart of home, the kitchen. Explore innovative and stylish design ideas that will transform your cooking space into a culinary heaven. From modern minimalism to cozy farmhouse vibes, we have curated a collection of inspiration to suit every taste. Discover space-saving storage solutions, trendy color palettes, and functional layouts that optimize both style and efficiency. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or just love a beautiful kitchen, this video is packed with ideas to spark your creativity. Join us on a journey through the latest trends in the kitchen design, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more home inspiration, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Ready to give your kitchen a fresh new look? Let's explore these incredible design ideas together. Designing a modern kitchen involves combining aesthetic with functionality. Here are key features to keep in mind. Number 1. Create an open layout to enhance the sense of space, allowing for easy movement and interaction. Number 2. Option for sleek, handleless cabinets for a clean and contemporary look. Consider using high glass finishes or matte textures. Number 3. Integrate clever solutions such as pull-out pantry shelves, vertical dividers, and hidden compartments to maximize space. Number 4. Include a functional kitchen island with storage, seating, and workspace to serve as a central hub for cooking and socializing. Number 5. Invest in high-quality, energy-efficient appliances with a modern design. Consider built-in options for a seamless appearance. Number 6. Incorporate smart technologies such as touch screen controls, smart refrigerators, and connected kitchen appliances for convenience. Number 7. Embrace a minimalistic design with clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered surfaces to achieve a modern and timeless look. Number 8. Use a combination of tasks and ancient lighting to enhance functionality and create a visually appealing atmosphere. Number 9. Choose durable and easy to maintain materials like stainless steel or countertops and sleek, resistant flooring options. Number 10. Introduce contrast through a mix of textures, materials, and colors to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Number 11. Consider integrating appliances like ovens and dishwashers into the cabinetry for a seamless and cohesive appearance. Number 12. Bring in natural elements such as wood, ancients, or indoor plants to soften the modern aesthetic and add a warmth. Number 13. Plan the kitchen layout with a classic work triangle, sink, stove, and refrigerator to optimize workflow. Number 14. Design areas for charging stations or USB outlets to cater to the increasing use of technology in the kitchen. By incorporating these features, you can create a modern kitchen that not only looks stunning but also functions effectively to meet your daily needs. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.